Hey, good morning. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then there is a link in the description below that you can use to create an account and receive 10% off your trading fees. Okay, bit of an interesting night last night with the Fed announcing they'll increase interest rates by another 75 basis points, which saw the S&P go through a bit of a drop, which is expected, bad news. We've gone through a bit of a drop here. It didn't affect crypto as much as I thought, to be honest. Bitcoin did go through a little bit of a drop. Bit of volatility came in early this morning, a bit of a drop, but in the overall market, Bitcoin is still looking pretty good. We're just pulling back into that cradle zone on the daily time frame. We did break below this support level and sort of testing with that $20,000 level now. So to be honest, I don't think I'll be trading today. I'm just going to let the dust settle because the lower time frames, the trends just aren't there. Across the board, there was a lot of volatility ruining any trend. So you can see there on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance as well, bit of volatility, XRP, across the entire top 10 and basically the entire perp pairs as well. Too much volatility ruining any trends. So to switch to those lower time frames would be an option. We just need those trends to come in first, which we could probably expect to happen later on today. So yeah, across the top 10, not really any trends that we can work with. I think we will just sit on our hands for this morning and let the market do its thing, because there is the potential that Bitcoin is just pulling back into that daily cradle zone. Could potentially see another leg higher, which would be great. If not, our plan of attack is to switch to those lowers, wait for those trends to come back in and trade them. The ones that I'll be watching today, now I'm not saying that there is trades right now, but there's a handful that are standing out to me. One being Sushi Perp on this daily time frame, really nice daily trend, pulling back onto this level. Unfortunately, this candle is way too big to trade, but we are in a really nice daily trend, so we can switch to these lower time frames and just watch for another leg higher if we do get it. Unfortunately, there's no trends here on the lowers either, but let's have a look at the 15. Bit of a level there, a little bit of a trend forming, but nothing there. But just because of that daily trend, that's what I'll be watching. Atom, let's have a look at the daily. Another one that has had a really strong daily move. Yesterday's candle did close quite bearish, back onto this level here. So I'm just interested to see how it reacts with this level, whether we do see a bounce and a move higher, or we just reject it like it looks like it is now and another leg lower. BNB, I spoke about this just before. Really strong move higher, just pulling back now. It would just be silly to ignore the fact that it has had such a strong move, and trying to stalk a long trade on this would be great, but we do have a level here to the downside, so if we do see some selling, I'll be focusing on that level. G'day Dan, please look into Pulse Zen early, only 2,000 holders. Yep, let's have a look. Chili's, another one on the daily time frame, really strong move, did close quite bullish yesterday, which is hard to ignore. We can switch to these lowers and hope for trends. It doesn't look like the trend is there. Bit of a level through here, so I'll be focusing on hoping for a pullback. Let's see how it reacts off that level. I know the trend isn't there. We do go from low to high, but yeah, it's just one of those ones that did stand out to me. Cream on the daily time frame, looking quite bearish, so this is a short option if it does set up. Really nice trend here on the 4-hour time frame. We've got a lower low, lower high. We've broken the previous low, so bit more of a leg lower with a pullback is what I'm waiting for on Cream. And Exchange Perp, another one that's looking really good to the upside. Really strong bullish trend. Just pulling back now. Let's have a look at the 12. We did have a cradle there on the 12. That candle is way too big, but they are back in that cradle zone on the higher time frame, so I do like trading in the direction of the higher time frames. So they generally are the most strongest trends, so we can switch and focus on these lowers to see how the market reacts this morning and throughout the day. Pulse Zen, let's have a look. I'm guessing it's this one, Pulse Zen. It doesn't look like there's anything, so it's not supported by FTX, so we can't really look at that. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll keep you guys updated in the community if I am watching anything or if I raise orders. Lou will be around as well, so Lou will do the same. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I hope you'll have a great day, and I'll chat to you guys soon.